Maybe you're going on a vacation and you need to clear out your fridge. Have you found yourself staring at a fridge full of random vegetables, not knowing what to do? Tossing these vegetables out seems like such a waste. This quick and easy stir-fry recipe turns your forgotten vegetables into a flavorful, healthy dish everyone will love. In just a few minutes, you can create a colorful dish that tastes amazing. I raided my fridge and found all the leftover vegetables I have. Some are fresh, some are not so. Although you can use whatever vegetables you want, here are some tips to make it even better. Choose vegetables with a variety of colors. A colorful plate is more visually appealing, which can encourage healthier eating habits and make your meal even more enjoyable. Eating a wide variety of vegetables in various colors also ensures that you consume a wider range of nutrition. Each color group in the vegetables represents different types of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. I have here a small handful of sugar snap peas. The actual amount of vegetables in this dish doesn't really matter. I've also have some leftover broccoli and cauliflower, an onion, carrots, red and yellow capsicum, pumpkin, and a potato. Cut all your vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Then, arrange all your vegetables into 2 piles, according to how fast they will cook. In this pile, I have the carrots, potatoes, and pumpkin, which take the longest to cook. The rest of the other vegetables take a shorter time to get tender. For the aromatics, I have here some ginger and garlic that's roughly chopped. For the sauce, in some water, add in oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, some pepper. Give this a good mix. We will also need some cornstarch slurry, and we do this by combining corn flour with water. To fry, put your pan over a medium heat. When the pan is hot, add in the oil. And when the oil is hot, add in the ginger. Fry the ginger for about a minute or two till it's fragrant. Add in the roughly chopped garlic, making sure that you don't burn them. Put in the pile of dense vegetables, which will take the longest time to cook. Add in some water. Bring the water to a boil, and when the water is boiled, cover. Let the steam build up in the wok to soften the vegetables. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes. When the vegetables are tender, add in the rest of the vegetables. Add in some more water if there's not enough water in the pan. And again cover and let the steam build up in the pan to tenderize the vegetables. Cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Cook them as long or as little as you prefer. I like my vegetables to be a little bit more crunchy, so I'm cooking them for a shorter time. After 2 to 3 minutes, pour in the sauce. Bring the sauce to a boil. Next, give your cornstarch slurry a good stir, as most of your corn flour will have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. Pour about half into the pan and stir. The sauce should thicken up very quickly. If the sauce is not thick enough, add more cornstarch slurry to it. When the sauce is at the consistency that you like, swirl in some Chinese cooking wine along the sides of the pan. Give this a good mix. Taste and adjust for seasoning. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you'll turn your leftover vegetables into a delicious stir fry everyone will enjoy. If you love this quick and healthy recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For simple and tasty meals, hit that subscribe button and check out these other videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.